Hello, it's Ming from Crafts to Crumbs. Today we're making a mashup of two of my favorite fall desserts, pecan pie and pumpkin cheesecake. For the crust, we'll need graham crackers, pecans, a couple tablespoons of sugar, and some cinnamon. We'll pulse this until we get crumbs, and then we'll add melted butter and pulse it again to bring it all together. Press the crumbs onto the bottoms and side of a grease and parchment lined pan. Fill this in the fridge while we make the fillings. For the pumpkin cheesecake filling, we will cream together cream cheese and sugar until smooth, and then add our pumpkin puree, pumpkin pie spice, salt, and a little bit of vanilla. We'll add our eggs one at a time and then cream until it's smooth and then set aside. For our pecan pie filling, we will melt some butter, brown sugar, a little bit of corn syrup, and a little bit of salt. Once that has all melted, we'll transfer it into a bowl. To this, we'll whisk in some eggs and vanilla extract. And finally, we'll add the pecans and a little bit of flour just to bind it all together. To the crust, we'll add the cheesecake filling and then the pecan pie filling. Wrap in foil, and then we'll bake at 325 for an hour and 15 to an hour and 25 minutes. Chill for at least 4 hours before serving. Enjoy. For this recipe and more, visit craftscrumbs.com.